how to navigate MacBook Air. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Now there's a lot that goes into a MacBook, but I'll be showing you the basics. So if you want to locate your files, anything you've downloaded, anything you've saved or anything like that, you're going to locate your Finder, which is always generally going to be in the left. Over here, similar to Windows, you're going to have different tabs for different things, anything like that. For your videos, it's going to be right here. And of course, if I want to go ahead and delete something like I just did right there, I can either double click, but if you can't double click or right click, then a right click on a MacBook is using 2 fingers on your trackpad, pressing them at the exact same time, and then it's going to right click for you. And what I could also go ahead and do is on the top left, go ahead and press this Apple icon and then go over to System Settings. Once I'm here, I'm going to see a lot of different options. If you're already on an Apple iPhone or iPad, you're going to see a very similar UI for that. So if you want to connect to Wi-Fi, go there. If you want to connect any Bluetooth device like a keyboard, mouse, or AirPods, anything like that, go over there. You can obviously change your battery settings too. And there's a lot more that you can go through over here too. This is going to be a really important hub for you to customize exactly how you want to be using your MacBook. And then once you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go.